The most popular CSS framework just fired 75% of their engineers, and AI is to blame. Now, if you've ever vibe coded anything, Cursor, V0, Claude artifacts, you're probably using Tailwind right now and you don't even know it. It's the CSS framework that powers basically everything AI builds these days. When you ask Claude to make you a landing page, that's Tailwind. When Cursor auto-completes your styles, that's Tailwind. Here's where it gets weird. Tailwind's NPM downloads went from 6 million to 32 million this year. That's 5 times more popular, but their revenue down 80%. Their docs traffic down 40% from 2023. Their engineering team went from 4 people to 1. AI learned Tailwind so well, nobody needs to learn it anymore. Here's what most people don't understand about how open source actually makes money. Tailwind CSS is free. Always has been. The way they pay their team is through Tailwind Plus. These beautifully designed templates and UI kits. You buy them once, you use them forever. The only way people find out about these paid products is through the documentation. That's their entire funnel. But here's the thing, AI doesn't visit docs. You don't visit docs anymore either. And now you've got Shadzy and UI offering similar stuff for free. So who's buying templates when Claude can generate a decent hero section in 3 seconds? Dax from SST put it perfectly. He said the Tailwind team is like musicians. They go into a hole, work on an album, do a drop, go on tour, and that's where they make the money. But you miss out on all the advantages of compounding. A customer you grabbed 5 years ago should still be paying you. That's the problem. Then Adam did something most founders never do. He told the truth. He posted a 33-minute voice recording while walking through the snow in Ontario, just talking to his phone. And what he said was brutal. He called it a boiling frog situation. Revenue had been declining so slowly for so long that he didn't even notice until he finally ran the numbers over the holidays. The forecast showed that if nothing changed, in about 6 months, they wouldn't be able to make payroll. So he made the call. Laid off 3 of his 4 engineers now, so he could give them proper severance, instead of waiting until the money ran out completely. And then he wrote this on GitHub. 75% of our engineering team lost their jobs yesterday because of the brutal impact AI has had on our business. I feel like a failure for building this insanely successful open source thing where business success is inversely correlated with the project's popularity. And look, this isn't just about Tailwind. Vizu, the guy behind React Native Prettier x Draw, said he has the exact same problem. Prettier is used by basically everyone in the industry, but funding proper maintenance has been a constant struggle. Jeffrey from Laracast had to do layoffs the same week, and Bad Logic Games tweeted something that got over 1 million views. Everything is going to be real soon. Here's the pattern. AI companies are making billions. The open source projects they trained on, the ones their products literally can't function without, they're dying. Not because they're failing, because they're too successful. Tailwind is the first domino. It won't be the last. But here's the part that actually gives me hope. Since this news broke, donations have been pouring in. Adam posted a thank you tweet that got over 100,000 views. The community's rallying. People are actually signing up for Tailwind Plus, buying the refactoring UI book, becoming sponsors. So if you use Tailwind, and statistically you probably do, here's what you can do. Go to their website, buy the refactoring UI book if you haven't. Check Tailwind Plus if your team needs templates. And while you're at it, look at your other dependencies. See who else is struggling to keep the lights on. Because if we don't support these projects, there won't be a Tailwind V5. There won't be a Prettier update. There won't be any of the tools we rely on every single day. The tools you rely on are built by people who need to eat. That's it. That's the whole thing. Share this if you think more people need to hear it. I cover design, AI, and tech, the stories behind the headlines. Subscribe to Oak Codex Newsletter for free at forbiddentrust.com. This is only for the first 1,000 subscribers. See you in the next one.